Okay, so this is the next question. We are asked to find the angle A, and then we should also find the value of x. So without wasting much time, let's get to it. Okay, so those of you who just want the answer to the angles, you just stick around and then learn some few properties of parallelogram, and then it will really help you in your exams, your BEC. Okay, so let's begin without wasting much time. Okay, so one property of parallelogram is that this angle here is same as the angle at this side, okay, and the angle here, okay, is also the same as the angle at this side. That's one property. Okay, the opposite angles are equal, so let's write that. So the properties: one, the opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Secondly, the alternating angles or adjacent angles, the angles here, they are supplementary. They are supplementary. So let's say adjacent angles are supplementary. When it's supplementary angles, it means that they add up to 180. So if you should add A and 60, you should get 180 degrees. Okay, so that's the two main properties that we are supposed to learn for this particular lesson. Okay, so without wasting time, let's see how we can find the value of the angle A. Now clearly you can see that the angle A is going to be 120 degrees, simply because, so if you are solving this as maybe a theory question, you have to quote the property that since opposite angles are equal, angle A is equal to 120 degrees, and that will be all. Hope that's fine. Yes, and let's see if we can also use a different method to solve this. We also know that according to the second property, we also know that if we should add 60 plus A, we should get 180 degrees because they are supplementary. So we just group like terms. A will be equal to 180 minus 60 degrees, and if we should subtract, A will still be 120 degrees, the same. All right, now let's see how we are going to find the value of x. We also learned that the same property, since opposite angles are equal, we know that 2x and 60 are equal. So we are going to say 2x is the same as 60. So here we can now divide by 2, and our x will be 30 degrees. Hope that's fine. Yeah. Or we can also use a different method. We know that the opposite angles or the adjacent angles, they add up to 180 degrees. So if we should have 2x plus 120 should be equal to 180. We group like terms, and then we have 2x to be equal to 180 minus 120. So we have 2x to be equal to 60. Okay, we divide by 2, and then x will be equal to 30 degrees. So very simple, and you can use just 1 second to solve this if you know the properties. Because if you know the properties, you will just know that the angle A here is 120, and you just divide by 2. You divide 60 by 2 to get the value of x here. That's all. Thank you so much, and make sure you leave a comment, and then I will assist you if you have any problem. Thank you.